Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Kraken app. And once you're inside your Kraken app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Once you're inside, what you need to do is tap on your portfolio icon. And once you tap on it, here all the cryptocurrencies that you have available in your account will be provided right here. Now, in order to send a crypto, let's assume you want to send a Bitcoin. Simply tap on that cryptocurrency, and once you tap on that cryptocurrency, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing three dot icon. Tap on that, and on tapping that, you'll be provided with bunch of options, and among them, tap on withdraw option. And once you tap on that, here you will be seeing this withdraw BTC. Now what you need to do is head over and open up your another wallet, and there what you need to do is select that currency that you have selected in your Kraken wallet. Now we have selected Bitcoin. Simply tap on Bitcoin, and once you tap on Bitcoin, here tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen once again, and you'll be provided with the option to deposit Bitcoin. And now simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be asked to select a network. Simply tap on the option that says Bitcoin, as you have selected the currency as Bitcoin, and then tap on continue. Now tap on understood. Once you have done that, here you'll be given your Bitcoin address. Now all you gotta do is tap on this blue paper icon to copy it, or simply long tap on the address and then copy it. And once you have copied it, go back to the Kraken wallet and here select the network Bitcoin. And once you have tapped on that, here under the withdraw to, tap on that to add the copied address, or simply tap on that and then tap on allow paste. And once you have done with that, your copied address will be pasted. Then tap on next. Now here you need to give a description to your new address. Just give it and then tap on next. And here all you got to do is just confirm your details. And once you have confirmed it, tap on save and continue. And once you're done with that, your confirmation BTC address will be sent to your mail. Simply go ahead and open up your mail, and so you'll be seeing a mail something like this. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on confirm address, and once you tap on confirm address, go back to the Kraken wallet, and here what you need to do is enter in the amount that you want to send, and then tap on review. And once you tap on review, all you got to do is just confirm once again all the details that you have entered, and then swipe to confirm. And that's basically how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.